Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Tell everybody where we're at today.
Hey, what? Tweetsie Railroad, inside my semi-swing bike.
We're gonna go in here and have some fun. As you can see, we're at Tweetsie Railroad. Check out these rides, animals, see what it has to offer. Last time we were here, Maddox was one. Maddox, are you pumped? Can you remember it this time?
I remember this time because I.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, here he comes. The boys are on a ride. Here comes Thomas the Train. Boom! We're gonna ride this up the mountain. It's okay. As long as we get a ride up, it's all gonna be good. Infinity. Look at this. Thanos and Infinity Stones.
We're going over actual trees.
Yes, we're going over trees. Look how high we're gonna go up.
No.
We're on a ride. Look over to our right. Think you could ride that?
Yeah, I can ride
That looks awesome. Let's look over to our left.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, we're gonna get high up here.
Yeah. How are we gonna get down? Ooh. Oh, after we get down, we're gonna get on this baby.
Is this fun?
Yep.
Look how high we go up. Tell everybody a hi.
Bye.
He's busy snapping his fingers. You like going down? Look at me. You like going down better or up?
Down.
Down. Look at that going down. What? It's a little bit of a rainy day today, but we're making the most of it, are we not?
Yep.
Yeah, look at all that. Look how far that goes. What do we got to do when we get to the bottom?
Go find Mom Jake's.
Yeah, because they got our what?
Because they have our tickets.
And they have our what?
Umbrella.
They have our umbrella. Oh, man. Well, we're not going to melt in the rain, so we're going to be just fine. Let's go find Mommy and Jace.
I think we should.
Think we should?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Woo! We're in a hunt to find Mommy and Jace. This way. Oh, you don't want to go down that way. Oh, there they are. Spinning wheel of what? They haven't been using it right now, Jace. I think it's because of the weather.
Then use that tunnel thing.
They have that drop zone thing up there.
Drop zone.
How tall are you? Let's see. How about there? Yeah, you're actually right at 45 inches. Jace, let's check your height.
He was 54.
I want to see. Get up there and turn around, Jace. Oh yeah, you're definitely over 54. All right, let's go ride something. You ready to go? You gonna help me drive?
Yeah.
Boom! All right, let's see down here. We got red for the brake, green to go.
All right, while everybody gets seated, I'll go over the rules real quick. Parents, you are in control of the vehicle. That means the gas and the brake. Little ones can steer, but parents, please keep a hand on that steering wheel in case you have to make any sudden
We're gonna
corrections,
chase
if you know
Mommy.
what I mean. We are going to go one car, one lane at a time for one lap around the track. Maintain a safe distance between the cars. No bumper cars, no trying to pass each other, things like that. When you get back here, come back to the same lane that you left. You're going to pull up and give the car in front of you a gentle tap. step on the brake and then stay seated until I tell you it's safe to exit, because you'll probably get tapped in the back too.
Here we go.
We are going to start with the inside lane here. Red car, you are off to the races. There you go. And blue car.
Whoa. Here we go. Well, you guys are crashing. You gotta go. Female driving. Sorry for all the viewers out there. Let's do this. We're gonna catch them. I'm gonna try to. Oh, they're going around the corner on me. That rain kind of feels good. It's not too hard, just a little bit of rain. Oh, we're coming up on the end. The finish line, they're gonna beat us. Push the NOS button. Is there a NOS button? Is it a horn? All right. That's for the brake. Going in hot. Going in hot. You got to get a little tap. Here he goes. Here he goes. My little one had a fit. I should have got it on camera. I missed out on a golden opportunity. Whoa! Oh, that's it. Was that fun?
I gotta try that again.
Yep.
I want to do it again too. Yeah. Woo! Yes, run around and do it here.
You ready for this one?
Yeehaw.
This is Tornado Ride.
Nope.
You ready, Jace?
I don't know if I'm okay. I might
I
not
think
make
this
it
one's
out
too
alive. Will I make it out alive? No one knows.
No, we want you to make it out alive. Do your thing all the way back. Pull it, Max, good. Oh gosh, here we go.
I'm gonna like this.
Here we go.
Yes!
Spinning tornado.
Carnation!
This one's not like the other one. You don't drop really fast, okay?
Narnia!
If you get scared, just let me know.
Narnia!
Oh, here we go.
Yes! Go for Narnia!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hold on tight.
Yes! Yeah!
See, this is it. Then we're done.
That's it. It's just gotta go circle.
That's all we're doing.
I ain't holding on nothing. This fun? I'm a
Yeah.
cowboy. I'm a cowboy. I don't take rules. I don't take rules. Hands free, Mom. Hands free.
Is this one a little bit better than that drop one?
Hands free, Mom. I'm flying. Whee!
Hold on to this.
Oh, watch me. Watch me.
Okay.
You got it. Dad, you got this on camera? No! This is fun!
Gotta get it to spin. You gotta move this. See, now we're spinning.
Move it, move it.
Now we're spinning. Oh, we're really spinning. Now keep it going.
Move it, boy. Keep it going.
You're okay, baby.
Keep it going.
You're okay. Don't spin it.
Keep it going.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. Can you look at me? Maddie, look at me, please.
I don't like this one.
Okay, it's okay. I'll get you down. We're almost done.
Oh, spin. Dad, help me spin this.
No, let's stop spinning. That Maddox is getting a little scared. We're just going to ride in a circle. All right. Hey, we're getting ready to get off, okay? Yeah, he's cold. I'll take care of him. You guys hungry? chicken tenders and fries. Quick meal before we get on Thomas the Train. What we doing next again? Thomas the Train. See anything out there?
I don't even see deer to swole.
No deers?
No swole.
Let's look up front. Look back at Jay. Oh man, here we go. Here, be careful, watch your eyes. We're gonna stand. I wonder what's in here. Watch your eyes right here. Look at that little pond. I'll cover your eyes. I'm gonna hold my hand right here so it don't go in your eyes. A little bit better now? Look at him up there. Look at that engine go. That's loud. Jace. Got Thomas the Train in the background. Maddox, say hi. How fast can that horse go? 350, 100 miles? That's pretty fast. Need help down? There you go, you got it. Whoa, look at Thomas the Train.
So give a thumbs up at the end of the ride, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Maddox,
Max and Remy.
good luck out there, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, you hold my hand? Hey, look at me. It's not like that other ride. It's not. It's nowhere near as fast. That's it. That's about all you're gonna get. See? Man, it's easier if you lean all the way back, put your back on it. That's it. You'll be okay. What's up, Faith? Top of this Ferris wheel. Say hi, Jace, to everybody.
Y'all eat a miss.
So mommy didn't like us, did she?
No, she didn't.
Look at that. Look how high we are.
Praying and whispering.
She was praying and whispering. Was she whispering to the Lord?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
No idea.
Yeah. I don't know if you're good on the heights, but it's not terribly high, but it's high enough. Oh
Please
man.
hold the phone with 2 hands and combination.
Put it food.
We're gonna give it to the animals.
Gonna give it to the animals.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna follow you. You go feed them. I'll watch you. Whoa. Llama.
Luma. Take the
Now let's walk on up. Let's check them out.
Bad.
Come on, Maddox. Look at that deer. Take your time, Maddox. Don't spill your food. Right. Oh, he got it.
Be careful.
He knew exactly where to go get it.
Watch out, I'll spit in your face.
It sounds like a deer raid or something.
They spit.
They will spit. They will spit.
Watch out, they'll spit at you.
Look at Browning.
You rub them the wrong way, don't throw it at him. Just sit it there.
Can I pet him?
Yeah. Don't bite because they want to stick
All right. Let's move on up and check out some more.
Alright, let's move. Can you hang up for later?
That's my wife's spirit animal, by the way. There's another one. Oh. Yep, and you got it, Maddox.
How can I feed him? He just hurt me.
Look at that.
You don't bite.
Here's Clay. Clay, come on, let's have the next one.
Maddox, they got baby goats. They may nip.
These are not llamas.
No, those are not llamas. You got that.
I give the baby. Hey, llama! Get over here.
Look, they're sitting up here. Come on, let's look at these. Come on, check out these baby goats. Look how little they are up here.
Where the baby go?
Look at it. Look how little they are.
No.
They're bitty bitty.
It's like you're taming them?
Here, Matt, you can have a little bit of your food.
I ain't got to do nothing besides eat.
You don't like it? Get food.
You guys like doing that? Look at that one stick its head over the fence.
Want food? Want food? Taking our food. I don't think they'll eat
Look,
it.
I bet you they climb up on them tall rocks up there. See, they got a little platform for them.
We'll be in bed.
Watch out.
Yeah. All right, new animal. What animal want to do?
Good job, Matt. Look how little it is. It's so small. It's itty bitty.
That looks like nobody's gonna feed me. I'm just going to drink.
Okay, I have no more.
Maddie's like, I'll
Check him out.
you.
Hey, go.
He likes what's in there.
Hey, go.
It must be sweet, Maddie.
What are you doing, little?
Look.
What are you doing, Naya?
He ain't shy about it.
Look, you gotta hold it like this. Mr. Billy. Hold it like that. What are you doing, Mr. Billy?
Off, but I've been on it.
Okay, tell them about it. So this is our Tweetsie Railroad
Railroad.
trip. Yep.
Yeah,
Did we have fun today?
Yep.
I think we're about to get some ice cream and we're gonna call it a day.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, my bad. Cotton candy. Jace, you getting cotton candy or you gonna get ice cream? Cotton candy or ice cream? You said yeah.
Cotton candy.
We got 2 cotton candies at least, minimum. 1 ice cream. They got those Dippin' Dots. Ooh, they're so good. If you haven't ever tried them, Got to get you some of those. But tell everybody bye, Maddox. Hope you had a good time. See you next time. Jace, tell them bye.
Bye-bye,